Welcome back to Day 1 German, Episode 13 of 20, Week 3, Actions and Time. I'm Felix.
And I'm Leonie. Every news story is pinned to a date. So today, the calendar.
Today's sentence, real news speed.
Der Gipfel beginnt am Montag und endet am Freitag. Here it is, one more time, slowly. Der Gipfel beginnt am Montag und endet am Freitag.
The 7 days in order. Listen for the pattern, and then Leonie will show you the troublemaker.
Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Samstag, Sonntag.
Did you catch it? 6 of the 7 end in tag, day. Montag and Sonntag are easy to remember, and Donnerstag and Freitag have cousins in English, Thursday and Friday. Don't worry about the history. Just hear the tag pattern.
And then there's Wednesday. No tag at all. It literally means midweek. At some point, German just shrugged and named it after its position. That's today's quirk. 6 tag days as a family and one relative who insists on being different.
Your turn. Say the troublemaker. Repeat after Leonie.
Mittwoch. Mittwoch. And the 2 you'll use most, Monday and Friday. Montag, Freitag. Montag, Freitag.
What happens on those days? Things begin and end. To begin, the summit begins. And yes, the German word for summit literally means a mountain peak. Politicians borrowed it.
Der Gipfel beginnt. Der Gipfel beginnt.
Your turn. Repeat after Leonie.
Der Gipfel beginnt. To end, the summit ends. Der Gipfel endet. Der Gipfel endet. Der Gipfel endet.
Begins, ends. Listen to how close they are to English. Some days, German just hands you the words. Now the time words that glue every story to the calendar. You know, today, from day 3. Tomorrow.
Morgen. Morgen.
Your turn.
Morgen. Yesterday. And flag this one, it becomes very important on Monday. Gestern. Gestern.
Out loud.
Gestern. And next week. Nächste Woche. Nächste Woche.
Today, tomorrow, yesterday, next week. 4 phrases, and you can place any story in time. Months and seasons complete today's sheet. From the top, Leonie, slowly.
Der Gipfel beginnt am Montag und endet am Freitag.
The summit begins on Monday and ends on Friday. Real speed.
Der Gipfel beginnt am Montag und endet am Freitag. Your turn. The whole sentence out loud. Repeat after me. Der Gipfel beginnt am Montag und endet am Freitag. Sehr gut.
Day 13. The 7 days and their rebel, begin and end, and the 4 diary phrases. The sheet at LinguaWire.com/day1 has the complete calendar. Days, months, seasons. Free and printable, plus the 10-minute homework.
And hold on to gestern, yesterday. Next week, it unlocks the biggest door in this whole series, how the news talks about the past. Morgen, es gibt keinen Strom.
Tomorrow, there's no electricity. The art of saying no. See you then.
Bis morgen.